Innovation for waste minimization.
This video describes and demonstrates the advantages of using warm waterborne cleaning solution when cleaning a paint spray gun. BECCA Waterborne Paint spray gun cleaners have available optional heat systems that raise the temperature of the cleaning solution from ambient to 125 degrees F. The heat makes the cleaning solution much more effective. BECCA has two types of optional heat systems. Heater 5 or standard heat. This system is like a hot water tank, heating the cleaning fluid. Heater EXP or heat on demand. This system is similar to a home use heat on demand system, allowing for a more responsive temperature rise and reduced energy usage. It also can be placed in a paint mix room meeting the code requirements. In a liquid state, most waterborne paints are reasonable to clean. Reds and whites for all waterborne paints are finely ground to provide better coverage, which also makes them more difficult to remove during the gun cleaning process. Any dry material around spray nozzles or air caps, which is often present, creates a difficult challenge to clean completely. Once waterborne paint is dry, it cannot be reliquefied. The heat adds a new element to the cleaning process. It allows the wet or dry waterborne paint materials to release from the surface of the paint spray gun instead of removing one layer at a time. The result is easier and complete removal at a significantly improved speed. Let's watch a demonstration of this process using a couple of wine glasses. The glass best simulates the smoothly, highly machined or coated internal surfaces of a paint spray gun fluid passageway. Let's start by putting a small amount of red paint in each wine glass and pause for 2 minutes to simulate the real-world shop experience. We now pour room temperature distilled water in one glass and hot distilled water in the other glass. To agitate the cleaning solutions, we swirl each glass at the same rate and dump the waste material. We now add a final rinse to remove the liquefied residues and swirl each glass again. As we review each glass, we see the following results. The glass with the room temperature fluid shows residues left behind and would require additional cleaning time. The dry edges are still present and may require additional mechanical removal with a stiff brush. The glass with the heated fluid is clean and ready for the drying process. A dirty paint gun creates problems like poor atomization and loss of trigger control. These problems often create poor coverage, excessive film build, color match issues, and modeling. A clean paint spray gun assures the best possible control and speed of delivery system. In other words, the heated solution you can get consistently clean paint spray guns at speeds that will rival solvent gun cleaning systems.
Innovation for waste minimization.